Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you are fine. Children, see that in the previous video we discussed the problems from worksheet 1, right? In this video we are going to discuss the problems from worksheet 1A. Okay, let us see that what is the first question. The absolute value of minus 8 is, before going to explain this question, here I will give you that three conditions. Say that if modulus of x is equals to x, modulus of x is equal to x, when it is possible, ma? When x is greater than 0. When x is greater than 0. Next, modulus of x is equal to minus x. When it is possible? When x is less than 0. When x is less than 0. And here finally, modulus of x is equal to 0. When it is possible? When x is equal to 0. Understand? Here we have the three conditions. What are those three conditions, ma? The first one is the absolute value. Okay, the absolute value, we can represent this one as a modulus. Okay, modulus of x. We will call this one as modulus of. Modulus of. That symbol is called modulus of. Modulus of inside which one is there? That one we will pronounce that. Okay, see here. If modulus of x is equal to x, modulus of x is x. Always modulus value is positive. Always modulus value is positive, which means the absolute value of any value is always positive. Okay, and in the same way, the absolute value of 0 is 0. Okay, here we should not say that a positive. Why? Because 0 is neither positive nor negative. Understand, ma'am? So see here, ma'am, you are saying the absolute value of any value is positive, but here you written that a negative. Okay, I will tell you that example. See that. So this question is also related to this condition. What is that? Modulus of minus 8, which is equals to, what is that answer I said here? Minus x. Actually, this is modulus of x. No. Modulus of x is equal to minus 8. That's why here minus of minus 8, which is equals to here minus into minus, which is plus, that is positive. Understand, ma? Minus of minus. That's why here we will get it as a positive. Otherwise, modulus of x is equal to x. If you will take like that, if x is less than 0, x is less than 0 means all the values are negative values only, no? So, if you will take the negative values, if you will write this one as if modulus of x is equal to x when x is less than 0, then what you will get here? For example, minus 2 is there. Then here again answer is x only, no? Then here you will get it as minus 2. But what I am saying here, the absolute value of any value is always a positive except that 0. Okay, is always a positive except that 0 condition. Understand, ma? So as per this one here, modulus of x is equal to minus x. If you multiply this negative number with minus, then only you will get it as positive. Understand? As per that, the condition is modulus of x is equal to minus x when x is less than 0. Understand? Yes. See here, ma. So what is that answer here? The absolute value of minus 8 is plus 8. Understand? Yes. Let us see the next question, ma. 0 is greater than which kind of integers? See that here we have that 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay, and here minus 1, minus 2 and so on. This is the number line of integers only, no? This is I minus and this is I plus or z plus or z minus. Okay, ma. See that. We can write this one as 0 left side. 0 is greater than which type of integers they are asking. What we said here, when we are going from left side to right side on the number line, the number value is in increasing order. So, right side of 0, all the values are positive values. And the left side of 0, we are having that negative values. So, when you observe that this number line, when you are moving from left side to right side, this is left side and this is the right side of 0. Okay, and this is 0, no? So 0 left side and 0 right side. Understand ma? So left side values always less than the given number. So here we have to compare that 0. Okay, 0 left side, which kind of numbers are there ma here? Here negative numbers are there. Negative numbers are always less than 0. Negative numbers are always less than 0. That's why here 0 is always greater than negative integers. 0 is always greater than negative integers. Understand ma? So which option is correct here? Option 1 is correct, that is a negative integer. Am I clear? Yes. Next question number 3. Compare plus 42 plus 23. Those two also positive integers only, no? Plus 42 plus 23. While you are comparing any two positive integers, that is easy to compare that. Okay, if it is those two numbers are having that any negative numbers, just you have to check that. Okay, just say that ma. 42, 23. So 42 is greater than 23. We know that, right? So see that which option is correct? Second option is correct. That is a greater than symbol. Next, third one. The absolute value of 8 plus of minus 4. Already I told you that modulus of minus x is equals, modulus of x is equals to minus x when x is less than 0 condition. So here also the same condition we have to apply, no? So plus of, here minus 4 becomes as again plus 4. Modulus of minus 4 is plus 4. Here I will write that, see, modulus of minus 2 is again 2. Modulus of minus 3 is again 3. Modulus of minus 1000 is that positive value 1000. Modulus of minus 1 lakh is again positive 1 lakh. Did you understand this example? So as per this one, here we have to write this one as modulus of minus 4 is 4. So 8 plus 4 is equals to 12. Understand ma? So which option is correct here? Positive 12. Option 3 is correct. Okay, let us see that next one. The value of, here also same. Okay, just see that modulus of minus 5 minus of 6 plus of modulus of minus 8. So modulus of minus 5, again that is plus 5 only, no? So plus 5, minus symbol is there, minus 6 plus minus 8, again that is plus 8. Understand? Next, 5 plus 8, which is equals to 13 minus 6, which is equals to here 7. 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. So which option is correct ma here? Option 3 is correct, that is 7. Okay. Next, question number 6. The absolute value of 0. The absolute value of 0. Modulus of x is equal to 0 when x is equal to 0 condition. If modulus of 0 is equals to 0 only, when it is possible, if x is equal to 0. So answer is the absolute value of 0 is, the absolute value of 0 is 0 only. Understand ma? So children, see here 7th question. The sum of minus 373 plus 20 minus 3 minus 5 and plus 5. Okay, just see that here. First write that minus 373 plus 20 plus of minus 3 plus of minus 5 plus 5. Clear ma? See that here we can write this one as minus 373 plus 20, and here plus into minus is minus 3, again plus into minus is minus 5 plus 5. Okay, now here minus 5 plus 5 gets cancelled, and here just to say that minus 373, and here just I am writing together these two numbers, minus 373 minus 3 plus 20, which is equals to minus 373 minus 3, which is equals to minus 376. Okay, plus 20. And here the sum of one positive integer and one negative integer. Okay, while you are performing that one negative integer and one positive integer, here we have to do that difference. We have to take the difference of those two numbers, and the sign of the number, sign of the resultant should be the greatest number what that is having the sign. Okay, just to say that Minus 376 plus 20. So here two types of signs there, no, minus 376 and here plus 20. So that's why here just you have to go for that subtraction. While this kind of question, just you have to go for that subtraction. 6 minus 0 is 6. 6, 7 minus 2 is 5 and here 3. Minus 356. And here which symbol we have to keep? What the greatest number has. Okay, the sign what the greatest number has, that sign you have to keep at the place of resultant. So finally our answer is minus 356. Understand ma? So which option is correct here? Minus 356. Okay, next. 8th one. The value of minus 2 into 5 into minus 30. Okay, the product of minus 2 into 5 into minus 30. So while you are doing this one, here see that the product of one positive integer and one negative integer is always negative. So minus into plus, which is equals to minus. 5 into 2 into 5 is equals to 10 and here minus into plus is minus into minus 30 and here minus into minus, which is equals to plus. These two conditions we have to use here. So minus into minus is a plus. 10 into 30 is equals to 300. So answer is a plus 300. Or else just without writing that plus also you can write it as 300. No need to keep that sign for that positive numbers, no. Okay, if you didn't write anything here before that number means that one take it as positive only. Understand? 300. So which option is correct ma here? Option 1, 300 is correct. Okay, next. The quotient of 35 by minus 7. 35 by minus 7. So here what you will get? 7 ones and here 7 5s 35. So finally answer is minus 5. Why? Because ma'am here you kept minus means the quotient of one positive integer. The quotient of one positive integer and one negative integer is always negative. Understand ma? The quotient of one positive integer and one negative integer is always negative. That's why as per that condition here we got that minus 5. So which option is correct here? Minus 5. Option 2 is correct. Understand? Yes. Next say the 10th one. The value of minus 37, minus of minus 15, minus 2. Okay, see here minus 37 and here minus into minus is a plus 15 minus 2. Okay, see here minus 37 plus 15 minus 37 plus 15. So we have to take this one as a difference. So 7 minus 5 is 2, 3 minus 1 is 2. What symbol we have to keep here? The symbol of the resultant, the sign of the resultant should be depends on that the sign of the greatest number has. Okay, so here while observing 37 and 15, what is the greatest number? 37 only, no greatest number. So that 37 is having which sign ma here? Negative sign. So minus 22 is that answer. Okay, next which is equals to minus 22 minus 2, minus 22 and here minus 2, minus 22 minus 2. These two also having that same sign. Okay, these two also having that same sign. That's why here again we have to keep the same sign. There is no change in its sign, but we have to take its addition. Okay, 22 plus 2 is 24. So minus 24 is that answer. Understand ma? So which option is correct? Minus 24. Am I clear? Yes. Next, 11th one. The value of 22 into minus 3 into minus 2 into minus 1. Okay, just observe that here write 22 as it is into, here we can write that minus into minus is a plus, minus into minus which is equals to plus. So 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Understand ma? Into minus 1. Now just take the product of these two. Here 6 is a positive, plus into minus which is equals to minus. So that's why 22 into 6 into 1 is 6 and here minus 6. Understand? Now 6 2s are 12 and here again 6 2s are 12 plus 1 13, 132. Now here this is positive or negative? Here say that plus into minus is a minus. So that's why here answer is minus 132. Understand ma? So which option is correct here? Option 4 is correct. Okay children, and see that. So up to here these are the questions what they given in that 1A worksheet. Understand ma? In that next video again we will meet with worksheet 1B. Okay, thank you all.